Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to use the air fryer to make a banana filter. You need a banana, it's a ripe banana, 1 egg, one-fourth cup rice flour, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, for cinnamon powder, brown sugar. So friend, if you have banana, do not throw away. If you have ripe banana, we can make a delicious dessert from air fryer. And you need a 5 slices of a bread, and I just pulse it and make it like a bread crumbs with a food processor. So this is our coating, the crunchy coating. So this is the technique. If you have the breadcrumbs available, you can use it. So I just split the banana to the two sides, and I make it little smaller. So I cut a half banana, I split it off. So keep it ready. Once it's ready, we can make that the crunchy batter. So to make it is you need a equal amount, like a ratio, same amount, 1 to 1. So today I'm using 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of the all-purpose flour, 1 egg and salt. Give a nice mix, and we keep adding the water. The water quantity should be around the half cup to plus 2 tablespoon water. That's sufficient to get the thick batter. It should be like a pancake batter, the consistent. And we're going to dip the banana, and we're going to roll that banana on the bread crumbs that we made it earlier. So we dip the banana with the batter, and we're going to roll that banana with the breadcrumbs. So we're going to repeat this process. So you're going to coat it, nice coating the breadcrumbs. So why we're going to do it is going to give nice crunchy. So basically the banana filter is famous in Indonesia and Malaysia. We always do this same recipe by we're going to deep fry this banana filter, but today I'm not going to use single oil. I'm just using the air fryer method. So we're going to give nice coating. It's a healthy version. So once you have that coated nicely, and we're going to preheat the air fryer. So today I use the air fryer setting, and for the 350 Fahrenheit. Now we can prepare that cinnamon sugar. It's a cinnamon and brown sugar. We mix it and keep it aside. So friend, the air fryer is ready. Now we can arranging all the coated banana to the air fryer tray. So place it evenly. You don't need to cap on it because it's not going to raise or anything, because the hot air circle anyway, it's going to cook evenly. Now we can lock this air fryer. So after 5 minutes you can see that nicely brown, and we're going still keep going on cook until turn to the nice golden brown. So the cooking time, it should be take around 8 to 10 minutes complete to turn to the golden brown. The variation is based on the temperature and then the what type of the air fryer. So just follow your air fryer method. So I'm just coated with the cinnamon sugar. This is the final step. and we can serve this hot banana fritter with any favorite sauce or just like that. It's so perfect. It's a instant churro. Kids will enjoy this banana fritter. It's a healthy version and fat free. So I hope you try this recipe. It's simple recipe and super healthy, and you can save a lot of money by not throwing that ripe banana. Instead that you can make this delicious homemade air fryer banana filter. So friend, look at this, so crispy and yummy. I just break one. It's so soft, the banana, and it's just so delicious friend. It's crunchy outside, sweet from the cinnamon sugar, and then the sweet ripe banana is so yummy friend. You can always use that the same banana filter by air fryer or deep frying, pan fry, or baking in the oven. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you.